Alright everybody, welcome back. Steve Got It Pool. We're getting ready to install the light ring and reinstall the light face plate. It's a little chilly out, a little cold out, and we're just gonna pour a little hot water on the area where the liner is. So I've already boiled that up. And we're not gonna pour it all, so I want to save some just in case. And I'm also hoping here that my hat stays on my head, because the last thing we want is for that to fall off and the microphone to fall in the water. Alright, here we go. Find the center. Find the center. Make sure your faceplate is up and down where you want it, north and south. The little clip-its thing on the bottom. Get those going just a little bit. And not tight all the way because I want to be able to move it so that I can get the second screw in. And I might need to just kind of move it around a little bit, but it went right in. Very nice. Very nice. Now, what I'm going to do is take a little bit more of that hot water, and I'm just going to pour it around the outside. I'm not going on the ring because I don't want the ring to crack. I don't want the water or the liner underneath. Okay, so what I want to do is I'm going to grab 4 screws. I think I'm going to grab 6. I could probably grab them all. I guess I will. We'll see if we can't just go over one time. But you can see everything just kind of pushes in a little bit easier with that liner stretching. And I'm feeling comfortable leaning over. No issues. So this is more of just watching me, I guess, at this point. I don't know. I guess I could still talk. I just want to be careful. I find that when I talk too much in these situations, some things can go wrong. We definitely don't want my hat to fall off. It feels secure. The microphone is secure. Everything's secure. So we're just about wrapped up with this job. Wednesday, October something. It's August, October. August, October. I will say that in this position, it does feel good on the back. Alright. Snug these up. These are my 2 on the bottom. Next setup, snug that up. Come over here to this one. And that. I do feel my body slipping slightly, but I'm in control. I don't feel like I'm going to totally go in. I don't think I got that one. I got 2 more. And I didn't drop any. And I didn't drop myself. I've never actually gone in. Like, I've never fallen in this, in this position, so I've come close, though. Used to always have somebody holding me to start. Josh is just finishing up cleaning the truck, loading things. I helped him, it was a mess down there, so before I came down here, I helped him load the majority of everything. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to come back up, grab my knife, and might be able to reach it. Oh, I see. Just want to make sure that screwdriver doesn't fall, make sure it's secure. I guess I'll just cut it right now, too. So I always try to cut the little top part so I can find my little screw. I don't cut it, like, exactly right around the faceplate. You can leave a little bit of meat on the liner, not much. 1/2 inch tops. Alright. It's cut out. I'm going to bring my knife up to this side. I don't want to accidentally hit that screwdriver that I know is still over there. So I'm going to come up slow. Locate everything that I could possibly accidentally knock in the pool. I can grab all the light stuff here. Now, when I did this job, when I came here and I took the light apart, I think I broke my knee pad. Oh no, it just loosened up. There was water inside the light, so I brought a new gasket for the light. It's a little dirty, definitely a little dirty here. It's kind of gross, not gonna lie. I should have rinsed this out, but we didn't have a hose at the time. I have a hose now. I don't want to rinse everything into the bottom of the pool. It's just like muck and gross stuff. So I always tape this cover on for a couple reasons. It adds a little bit of weight to the light fixture itself, so that it'll stay in the light niche. And I tape it on so that the lens doesn't pop off, because that happened to me one time. Alright, so this gasket wasn't looking so hot, so I brought a new one. Yeah, I did the red tape. But one thing, the problem is I found that sometimes these replacement gaskets don't work. We're going to call with a credit card later tonight. Alright, I'm just going to clean this lens, look for cracks. I'm going to hope. I'm going to wipe the inside of it as best as I can. Make sure it looks decent. Hey, just leave that gasket just in case. I'm not 100% sure that this replacement gasket's going to work. I know it sounds silly, but
Are you all set with the water?
yeah, I'm all set with the water. Alright, hopefully that works.
And do you know where your pen is for the building then?
It was, yes, it's in the driver's side last compartment, right on the bottom there.
Okay.
Alright, so I think I see maybe why things were leaking here. There's like a little bit of something that was stuck there. I got it off. I don't know if this metal's deformed at all. It looks a little wobbed out, but not too bad. Alright. Put the bulb back in. I'm sure the bulb should be replaced, but I guess we're going to deal with that another time. Alright, so find the top of the light. I don't have a new bulb. And the customer has to pay for it. It's a big, long story. I should have them on my truck, though, but I don't. I should have said something I knew it was in. That's just a learning experience. Alright, this may or may not work. This may or may not work. Well, it's the truth. You're finding all the truths out. All the truths out. And it's okay, because I feel that the people that do watch these... Alright, this may or may not work. Ooh, that actually felt like it fit good. Oh yeah. Alright, so let me flip this upside down now. Oh, look at that. That fit nice. Perfectly centered, perfectly spaced. Yeah, I don't know. It's true though. There was a couple times where these gaskets just weren't working. Maybe it was a different light niche. Maybe, I don't know. But this particular brand new gasket is working great. And hopefully it won't fill with water. Believe it or not, the light bulb might actually even still work. So, probably does. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it still does, to be honest. 3/8 nut driver. Snug it up as much as I can, just kind of holding it by hand. And this is definitely, I would imagine somebody tried working on the light at some point and just didn't put it back together right or whatever. I don't know. But that looks beautiful on the back. Perfectly seated around on the front. So now I will take a set of pliers, hold on to that nut, and continue tightening pretty much until something breaks or I can't screw it anymore. That's pretty much how I do it. It's as tight as it can go. It's super tight. I do feel that these lights are a little flawed. I don't know why it was leaking. Maybe that clamp just wasn't tight, but I just knew that I wanted to replace the gasket this morning. And I'm looking around on it. I mean, it looks like everything's compressing really nice. So, hope for the best. Maybe I'll check the light one time. I think the switch is over there. Who knows? Maybe it still works. That'd be kind of mind-blowing if it does. Alright, little clip on the bottom. And then the screw on the top. Sometimes these screws can go bad, or the part that you're screwing into can go bad. And they have these things called light wedges that you can use. But that one's on good. So I imagine we're gonna have to come back. Let's see. I'll go see if I can find this light switch one time. I don't exactly know where the light switch is, but it's definitely not back here. It's definitely not back here. There is no light switch. I don't know. I don't know where it. Sometimes they put the light switches in a weird spot, and I don't want to go. I guess I'll take a quick peek in here. Maybe she's got a light switch right here. I don't know. Did it come on? No, I don't even know if that was the switch. It was just a little, I don't know, start pressing all these buttons, I guess. Nothing's happening. Well, I tried. I'll ask her one time before we go, just so I know for sure what's going on. I think it's this switch on the wall. And we'll tell her she needs a new bulb. Alright. Josh got everything all wrapped up. We're going to ask her one time how she turns the light on. And if we're determining that the light's bad, we'll get her a new bulb. And we should be good to go. Alright. Steve got a pool signing off. I hope this was somewhat entertaining. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And all that good stuff.